Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, I'm going to share a trick with you that can help you transform your commercial carpet cleaning business, help you to build more sales. Stick around to find out how. So I want to share a little trick with you that I learned in my commercial carpet cleaning business that can really change the way you grow your commercial carpet cleaning business. It's something that I nailed through trial and error, and it works. In other words, how to take your presentation up a level so that most of the time they're going to buy from you. Interested? Well, here's my little trick. When you go into, let's say, Costco or Sam's Club or even the grocery store, they have a table there. Someone's standing at the table and the table's filled with whatever, and they want you to try a sample, right? You've been there, you've tried the sample. Now, think about that little interchange. They give you a little sample of whatever it is, you try it. What do you think now? Even if it was just marginally good, you're probably thinking, I should go ahead and buy that. You know, they're trying so hard. They got the big smile. They put the effort into presenting it to me. I'm going to go ahead and buy a box or a bag or whatever. So we've all done that. Or like when you go to test drive a car, right? You go into the dealership. What do they want to do? They want to get you behind the wheel so that you can experience it, feel it, smell it, see the way that car handles, because they know they've got you hooked at that point. Next up, let's go into the sales office and work some numbers. Same thing applies when you're working to sell commercial carpet cleaning. What you want to do is give them a taste. Give them a test drive. In other words, do a demo. The demo is so powerful. What you want to do is you want to isolate an area of the carpet that's kind of funky, a problem area, something that they've been struggling with, and demonstrate how you can fix that problem for them. Perhaps it's a recurring spill stain or a grungy traffic lane. You go in there and clean a nice little section of it. Don't do the whole carpet, but just a nice little section, totally for free, no strings attached. And don't put the pressure on them to buy. You just want to show them what you can do to fix their problem for them. Okay, so you're the problem solver at this point. It makes an incredible impact. And naturally, they feel just a little bit obligated now to buy from you. It works really, really well. It's been said that a presentation without a demonstration is just a conversation. The demonstration is what nails the sale. So be willing to roll your Cymex machine in there or your orbital machine and clean a little section of the carpet. Go ahead and do it for free. No big deal. It's not going to take you but a few minutes, but when they see what you can do, they're naturally going to want to buy. In fact, we do that here at Excellent Supply. We offer a sample pack, very, very affordable. You open that up and you get this nice little box of 3 samples. Gives you an opportunity to try before you buy. And we know that you're going to be hooked when you try our products. Or, for example, like when you buy a Cymex machine. If you're not happy with it, you've got a week to try it out, put it through its paces. If you don't like it, ship it back to us and we'll give you a refund. We know from experience that when you try these products, when you try Release It products or you try the Cymex machine, for example, you are going to be hooked. Same thing goes for your business. Take that out there when you're talking to customers, offer to do a free demo, just a small little area for free, and it will open up the door for you so that you'll be able to nail commercial carpet cleaning accounts. They're going to say yes more often than not. Without that demo, though, you're just another person just doing a sales spiel. But when they see that you're prepared to fix a problem for them and to really make the carpet shine, they're going to buy from you. And the Encap process is so perfect for that because it's low moisture, it's a problem solver, it's always going to make the carpets look great. You go in there with some Encap Clean DS2, work a bad area, really do a good job on it, get the carpet to dry quickly, bam, you've got the account. So hopefully this will help you to build your commercial carpet cleaning business. We want to help you here at Excellent Supply to max your Encap. That's what we're here to do. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments about perhaps demos you've done, throw it in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up if you would, and please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.